Hello and welcome back to Wombat Coaching. Today, I'm diving into the world of Amazon KDP royalty payment thresholds and how they can vary depending on the country you live in. Now, we all like to get paid for our hard work, so let's have a deeper look. Royalty payment thresholds are set for countries where direct deposit banking or electronic funds transfer, that's EFT, payments are not accepted by Amazon, requiring the use of wire payments. Now, when you publish your books through Amazon KDP, you earn royalties for each sale. However, depending on where you live, Amazon may have payment thresholds in place, which means you need to reach a certain amount before they release your royalty earnings to you by wire payment. This amount is usually around the $100 mark or equivalent currency in that marketplace. Up until recently, Australia had payment thresholds in place, which meant that in order to get paid each month, the payment threshold had to be met first. This threshold applied to all marketplaces outside Australia, including the US. Now, this is not an issue when you are selling lots of books, and generally within the US marketplace is where most books are sold, and it's reasonably easy to reach the monthly threshold. However, when books are sold in less common marketplaces like Spain or Japan, for example, you're required to wait for the threshold amount to be met before you get paid. The marketplace where I live, in this case Australia, was restricted and I could only receive payments each month if the threshold was met. I was pleasantly surprised when recently Australia was updated from the restricted currencies, and now almost all marketplaces are paid out each month regardless of the sales earnings. It was like getting a windfall, as some of these smaller marketplaces had only minimal sales, unlike the US marketplace. My royalties seemed trapped in those small marketplaces. It may have taken a long time to receive payments, waiting for those thresholds to be met. So what do you do if you have payment thresholds in place in your location? Firstly, check to see if your country is restricted with EFT payments, allowing only for wire transfers or checks. I'll provide this link below in the description. As you can see, the payment threshold for New Zealand and other countries without EFT payments must be met before authors can receive their royalties via wire transfer. This requirement can be a barrier for payments if you're not selling lots of books in those marketplaces. Who likes waiting for their money? To address this issue, publishers in countries like New Zealand can leverage payment platforms like Wise to streamline the process of receiving their Amazon KDP royalty earnings through EFT payments. Wise offers a convenient solution for transferring funds internationally with lower fees. You are basically opening a US bank account with Wise to overcome the issue. By connecting your Amazon KDP account to your Wise account, you can navigate the payment threshold restrictions and access your royalties efficiently through EFT transfers. Wise simplifies the transfer process and provides a reliable method for receiving your earnings. Wise is available in most locations. The link is in the description below. So, in summary, while Amazon KDP requires wire payments in countries where EFT is not accepted, platforms like Wise offer a practical solution for authors and publishers to overcome payment threshold challenges and access their earnings seamlessly. Now, for more tips on starting your KDP journey with a zero budget, watch this next video. Now, keep writing, keep publishing, and may your online endeavours thrive.